Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring and mixing to save time. Combine 1/2 cup of your chosen base with 1 tablespoon honey and 1 egg yolk. Whisk until smooth. Make sure to detangle quickly so application is even. Once done, separate hair into 4 sections with clips so you can work methodically from roots to ends. You want a spreadable but not runny mask. Adjust with a teaspoon of water or oil. This first step sets up even coverage and absorption. You should apply the mask section by section, starting at the nape and moving upward so gravity helps. Use a dye brush or your fingers to push product into mid-lengths and ends. Make sure every strand is coated. Massage the scalp gently for 2 to 3 minutes to increase blood flow and nutrient uptake, but if your roots are oily, focus more on lengths. Once all sections are done, gather hair and smooth any thick spots. This creates consistent results during processing. You finish by covering hair with a shower cap and letting the mask sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Warmth improves penetration, so sit under a hooded dryer or wrap a warm towel if available. Rinse with lukewarm water until runoff looks clear, then shampoo only if hair feels weighed down and follow with a light conditioner. If the mask leaves oiliness next time, dilute the recipe with more yogurt or use an apple cider vinegar rinse to clarify. That single tip fixes most heaviness issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.